Alright, what we see here is this little rack unit that I'm gonna be putting together, and rack unit is for housing something like this. This is for 1 rack pieces, so it can house 3 rack units of that size, or 1 big one, or you know. And yeah, these boards were made by my brother to my specifications. It's coated plywood, and this rack strip I got from Tom and cut to lane. And first of all, of course, I think I'll be putting these pieces onto the sides. I'm gonna leave a little bit, not gonna be putting it all the way. Maybe I'll do like 1.5 centimeters. That seems about right. And then I got these 4 screws, so I'm gonna do a little pre-drilling, a little hole, and then just drive these in. And then it's basically just putting it all together. So might need a hammer, and I might be shaving some of these, so because I'm gluing them, I don't need them to be that tight. Yeah, that will work just fine. And then if I want it to be a bit more durable, I would put these in the corners, but this is going to my shelf, so I don't really need that. But yeah, I'm gonna do the holes. There we go. Those are ready. So now all we need to do is start putting this together. And like I said, I'm gonna be shaving these off just a little bit. And this stuff is so that is the wood glue, so I know the joints I won't be having any issues with this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is just gonna get a little bit of glue on there, like that. Then I'll actually make sure that they're really in there, so I'll turn this around. Yep, seem to be good. There we go, that seems to do the thing, but just in case, I'm gonna put this on the floor and just give a few taps. And then we are going to put the side pieces on here. So again, Just oops. And there we have it. Now I'm gonna just let it sit for a bit. Let the glue dry. Like I said, because I'm using this at home, it will be totally fine. With just those connections. And as we can see, the unit fits perfectly, and we have space for 2 more, and I did leave a little bit of extra just in case. The rack unit size should be standard, but you never know, so there's a few millimeters extra, I think. But yeah, that's how it comes together. Really easy, good looking. You could put a handle, I'll show you. And one thing, of course, I'm gonna get rubber feet on the bottom. You could put something like this on it. Have a little handle, boop, or on the side, because then you can't stack these up. And of course it would be really easy to make this a bigger one, but I decided to go with a 3-unit case this time. I'll just hook this up already, and we can see how it looks. There, all done except for the little feet. And now we can take a look and see how it came together. And there we go. That came out pretty nice. As we can see, you might have a plywood shop nearby that can do this for you. And I'll hopefully have a PDF with the measurements on my sites, like Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee, and it will be available for download so you can make your own. Alright, I'm off. Have fun. Bye.